Hey everyone, we're downtown at 409 East Grand Avenue here in Ponca City, Oklahoma, and we're going inside the Cherokee Strip Company to visit inTouch Cellular Repair. Now you walk inside the door, you see we're inside the strip company. You want to go to your right, and then if you count the archways here, there's 1, 2, and the third one on the right. You'll find, if Kyle's there right now, he's probably in here somewhere, Kyle at inTouch Cellular Repair. Now, if you have, of course, a broken or cracked screen, they'll repair it. If you have Android or iPhone, they're certified to repair both phones and tablets. Screen damage, water damage. They sell refurbished devices and accessories, and they guarantee all parts and labor. You can like them on Facebook at facebook.com/inTouch Cellular Repair. So Kyle is normally around here Monday through Saturday from 7:30 in the morning until 5:30 in the afternoon. So he's even here on Saturdays for you. And you can reach him at 918-519-3274. It's Kyle and Jana Lee, the owners of inTouch Cellular Repair, here in the Cherokee Strip building at 409 East Grand, downtown Ponca City.